Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the expected paper for your SAT General Symbiosis which is starting from 26th of July 2020 से लेकर के आपका ये एग्जाम होगा till 29th of July. So this is what 4 days window for your exam, and exam will happen online mode guys from your home itself, which is nothing but the proctored format test. So all these details I have already discussed in my last video. Kindly check my last video. So as they have changed the paper pattern, they have reduced the number of question also. So we need to understand what kind of a question and from particular topic how many question you can expect in the exam. But before that, we have come up with the full course program for SAT General mini course, which includes your all the topic wise video lectures, practice PDF and your mock test. So if you want to prepare for next remaining days for the exam, then you can join the mini course. If you're liking particular section, let's say GK, English, Maths or Logic, you can join the sectional course. Mock test is very important guys, so do join the mock test program. Full length mock tests are there, and if in case if you want to take the access of ebooks, you can join the ebooks. All these programs are available on manuedu.com/BBA entrance. Same link I have given in the description. For any assistance you can contact on this number. First let me talk about the English. Earlier they used to ask 40 questions, but now they will be asking 20 questions from this area, which is nothing but the half questions. So from RC, which is nothing but your passage, earlier they used to ask 2 passages, but in this exam you can expect 1 RC, which will take care of your 4 to 5 questions. From vocab, which includes your synonyms, antonyms, analogy type of the question, bare minimum 4 to 5 question. Grammar based question, error detection, sentence improvement and correction, 4 to 5 question. Fill up, paragraph jumble and verbal reasoning. Combine all these, you can expect at least 6 to 8 questions. So this is what the rough breakup of your expected English paper guys. So accordingly you have to prepare for the exam. So as they have given you the time limit, which is nothing but a 75 minutes time to complete entire paper. Out of that, I want you people to give bare minimum 15 minutes or else 20 minutes, not more than this guys. If you are completing paper in 15 minutes, then the time which you will be saving here, that time you can devote on the quant section. Next is the quantitative aptitude, 40 questions. Earlier they used to ask, but now they have decided to ask only 20 questions from this area. All time dominating arithmetic, bare minimum 10 plus question you can expect from this area. Modern maths 2 to 3 question, and algebra and geometry combined together 7 plus question you can expect. So those who find themselves weak in maths, they should at least prepare well arithmetic section and the modern maths, which includes your 12 plus questions. And if you can prepare algebra and geometry, that is what the another advantage, because algebra they ask very easy question, quadratic and linear equation type of the question, and then the geometry, all the area type of the questions. So arithmetic topics are nothing but your percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, partnership, simple and compound interest, time, speed, distance and work. All these are the arithmetic topic. Then modern maths, your permutation, combination, probability. So to solve 20 questions from your quant section, one should devote 30 to 40 minutes time guys, because एक क्वेश्चन आपका 1 मिनट तो डेफिनेटली लेगा मैथ्स के अंदर, एंड सम क्वेश्चन माइट टेक 2 minutes ऑल्सो. सो अदर सेक्शन इफ यू आर सॉल्विंग वेरी क्विकली बाय गिविंग द लेस टाइम, दोस टाइम यू कैन यूटिलाइज इन कॉन्ट सेक्शन. आफ्टर देन कम्स योर जनरल अवेयरनेस, 40 questions, but this year they are asking just 20 questions. Current affairs and the static, 2 kind of a GK they will be asking. All the current affairs based on the sport, business related GK, merger and acquisitions, important national and international news, all the government scheme. So these all are the part of the current affairs. After then static GK, history, geography, your polity and all. So 60% breakup for your current affairs, 40% static. So to solve this section, I strongly recommend 5 minutes is sufficient to handle all the 20 questions, because it is GK guys. If you know the answer you will mark, if you don't know then also you will mark, because there is no negative marking. So on your Maneuver portal, whether you have joined SAT General mini course or the GK course, all the video lectures do watch guys, monthly video lectures which cover your entire current affairs. After then there are the 1000 plus important question based on the current affairs. Then there is 1000 plus static GK question which are very crucial exam point of view, and do go through the business GK as well. If you are preparing this much guys, I can bet you 12 plus you will be definitely hitting out of 20 marks, provided if you complete entire data which is given on your dashboard. Next comes your analytical and the logical reasoning, highly scoring area, 30 question earlier they used to ask, but this year they are asking 15 questions. Arrangement, linear circular distribution, all these videos you have to watch from your dashboard from the logical reasoning, that will be sufficient. Traditional reasoning, all the series, input output, blood relation, direction based question, ranking, inequality, syllogism, all these are the traditional logic. And your critical reasoning, statement, assumption, argument, all this type of the questions. So 5 plus question you can expect from the arrangement, 6 to 8 question you can expect from your traditional reasoning, and 3 to 4 question you can expect from the critical reasoning. So this is what the breakup of your this section, and I believe to complete the 15 questions 20 minutes time is much more sufficient, guys. Now next comes score target. This year your symbiosis set general paper is of 75 marks. Out of that I want 50 plus you should target. If you are hitting 60 plus, that is another advantage for you guys, because this is pretty much possible. So time breakup, as I have given you, English, Quant, GK and logic. 20 minutes for English, 5 minutes for the GK, 20 minutes for the logical reasoning. So in that case you will be getting 30 minutes time for the Quant area. But if you are giving 15 minutes for the English, 15 minutes for the logic and 5 minutes here, in that case you can devote 40 minutes time for the Quant, because Quant is the only area where you have to utilize more time to solve the question. So this is what your time breakup of 1, and this is what the 2. So you are the better person to decide whether you want to follow 1 or the 2. So depending on your strong and the weak area, you can decide the time which you can devote for the particular section. And also if you have your own time breakup, you can utilize that also, not an issue. But make sure you should end up with the symbiosis by scoring the good marks in your set general. Alright guys, so I hope you have understood what kind of a paper you can expect in the exam, what should be your time breakup for the particular section. And in case if you want to join set general mini course or the sectional, very important, do attempt the mock test. So your mock test is based on the 90 question pattern. So this is what the earlier pattern of this year 2020 set general. So instead of 90, this time it will be 75 marks. So all these extra questions which you will be getting 90 question, you will be practicing all those questions, which will be another advantage for you. So do attempt mock test, which is very very important. And if you want to practice the question, then you can take the access of ebooks. Kindly visit menuedu.com/BBA entrance guide. So this link I have given you in the description, so kindly check the description. For any assistance and query, please post in the comment box. I'll be happy to reply you. All the very best. Thank you.